Social media can feel like a grind. Not just posting, but brainstorming and staying consistent. In a couple of minutes, we'll go from a blank social calendar to a week of posts you can actually use. Today, let's use ChatGPT to help us create a social media plan for your agency. Let's say you want to write more delis and pizzerias. Perfect fits for a business owner policy with MGT. Act as a social strategist for small business insurance agents. Create a one-week Facebook content calendar to attract local delis and pizzerias for Bob's. Highlight coverage features like spoilage, liquor liability, and multiple locations. Format as a table with day, suggested post, and suggested image. Make posts conversational, add emojis, and include one poll idea. Let's submit this. And we're in business. That handful of sentences has gotten us a day-by-day plan of what we can post to attract business. It looks like it's a good start, but it's also kind of generic. Let's refine it a little to make the content more interesting for our audience. Make this calendar specific to Rockford, Illinois. Use local references and community flavor. We'll submit and give ChatGPT a few ticks to update our plan. And there we go. We can now see our posts have been updated to call out specific locations around Rockford. That will definitely help with engagement. And now we've just gone from a blank slate to having a content calendar in a great place for next week. But we're not done. Let's use AI to multiply our efforts even further. Adapt this plan for Instagram using 2025 best practices for engagement and including at least one idea for a reel. Keep the same table format. I'll send that content through, we'll give it a few moments, and just like that, you'll see it's adapting the Facebook campaign we just worked on with content appropriate for Instagram. We have a local, cross-channel social media plan ready to go for next week. That's all there is to it. Using AI to multiply your effort online while we help you protect Main Street offline. That's Neo Insurance, and that's MGT.